Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best cute duffel bags for women available in the market, the stylish and functional duffel bag for travel by BAVERGE. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway or a long business trip, this bag has got you covered. Stick around as we unpack all its amazing features. So, what makes this bag stand out? Well, let's start with the basics. This is not your ordinary duffel bag, it's designed with the modern traveler in mind. It combines style with functionality, offering ample space and thoughtful compartments for all your essentials. First up, one of my favorite features, the shoe compartment. Perfect for keeping your shoes separate from your clean clothes or packing away those gym sneakers after a workout. It even comes with a shoe bag for added convenience. Here's where you can easily tuck in your shoes or even use it for dirty laundry. It's all about keeping things organized and tidy, no matter where your travels take you. Now, let's talk capacity. This bag has been upgraded to accommodate even more items, measuring 23.4 by 11 by 11.6 inches. That's plenty of room for your clothes, toiletries, electronics, and whatever else you might need for a few days away. As you can see, it's incredibly spacious. You won't have to leave anything behind on your next adventure. Style-wise, it's a real head-turner. The crosshatch embroidery pattern and eye-catching pink color make it both fashionable and easy to spot on the luggage carousel. Plus, the fabric is lightweight yet sturdy, with reinforced metal clasps ensuring durability trip after trip. I love how it's both practical and stylish. It's clear they've thought about every detail, from the stitching to the choice of materials. Now, versatility is key when choosing a travel bag, and this one doesn't disappoint. It's not just for vacations, it doubles as a gym bag, a hospital bag for expecting moms, or even a handy laptop carrier for business trips. Whether you're heading to the gym, going for a weekend getaway, or preparing for a new arrival, this bag adapts to your lifestyle seamlessly. Another standout feature is the internal waterproof pocket. Perfect for storing wet clothes after a workout or separating out anything that might spill during travel. This is such a thoughtful addition, ensuring your clean items stay dry and protected. So, there you have it, the ultimate travel companion, combining style, functionality, and durability into one sleek package. Whether you're a frequent flyer or a weekend warrior, the duffel bag for travel by BAVERGE is designed to make your journeys easier and more stylish. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more product reviews and travel tips. Until next time, happy travels!